So this is what, my third or fourth oil change? Fourth? No, it ain't. You sure?
I think so. Fourth.
Yeah, I try to sneak up here to Dodge, and y'all look who pop out. He supposed to be up there selling cars. He back in the service department.
I came to see my favorite person.
About $1 million in the shop.
She tried to, nah. You still recording?
Yeah.
Because you try to sneak up on me.
You know, I was gonna come through the back right here, y'all.
See,
Come through the back, see who we got in here.
Yeah, she tried to sneak up on me. And then I caught you lagging. Yeah.
What we about to go do?
We about to go to lunch. Because she want to show up when I'm about to take her my lunch. So we about to go to lunch. They go push.
He said I can't put. I gotta blur his face out.
Bro, how you doing? Appreciate that. See y'all. Hey, what's doing? You don't gotta get it. It's your boy back with another video with Slime 19. Make sure y'all go to the slime.store, get some merch, because y'all know the spot. We at Crown Dodge Fayetteville. Y'all know it's only up. Y'all know the vibes. Go subscribe to my channel. Go subscribe to Shorty Girl channel. Just stop playing with slime. Yes.
What we got?
What we
Hold
got?
Just let me zoom in.
Yeah.
It ain't the red eye.
It ain't a red eye, but it's a Hellcat. It's a Hellkizzy.
Yep.
Hey, we about to go crazy.
It's the B5 blue.
It's the B5 blue. But I do have some bad news.
Oh. It's used.
This is used.
Uh-huh.
And it's sold.
Already?
Already.
So it ain't no point of them.
Ain't no point.
But just in case the seller back out. They can't back out?
Yeah, they can back out.
Oh, okay.
It's, from my understanding, because I don't know if he gonna jump. What we on? What we talking on? What is the video?
It's gonna be Instagram and YouTube,
all right,
possibly.
Cool. Because I had somebody on it, and I had to let them know the bad news. Because first day I posted this, I had got a phone call, and he was about to get this, but then I got the phone call. Well, I talked to my managers, they told me that the vehicle is sold. So, unfortunately, it was sold. But, like she said, the seller can back out. So, make sure y'all stay tuned.
So y'all that be praying on people's downfalls.
Hey, don't be praying on people's downfalls, but just in case, I will be calling. The first person I'm calling, he know who he is, but hey, we going up. But
what they asking for at first?
64.
64? How many miles?
28,000.
What year?
2018. Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Got an oil catch can by JLT. Let me get that off of there.
Bro.
Let me get that.
Listen, I promise you, if I would have popped the
they
hood
would never know. They gonna pay attention to that.
Hey, look, pop the hood real quick. That could have been in the new widebody scatpack. Supercharged engine, big block. Got the SRT intake.
What's them leather seats?
Leather seats, you know what it is. Oh, see, they got the doors locked.
Yeah,
so
you
can't set the alarm off. But sunroof, fully loaded, plus group, Harman Kardon, all that good stuff. Y'all know the vibes.
But it's already sold.
All
but just in case the seller back out,
hey, look,
something happen, get by the car.
That's a thumbnail.
Just get by the car. Let me get you in a good light and get right there. Want me to make your thumbnail for your video? Hey, what is up, Slime Nation, Slime Pack Nation? Listen, I am out here at a disclosed location, set apart, if y'all can hear that noise in the background. But me and the guy that previously did one of the clips that be in my intro, we're about to make another movie. So y'all stay tuned throughout this video. I'm going to let him shout himself out whenever I get over there to him. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Subscribing is free. It costs nothing to support. Like this video, drop a green emoji when the video is over with. Come back and leave out your comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. Alright, y'all, here goes some of his equipment. I'm gonna let him shout himself out while he's setting up. Go ahead and shout yourself out.
Lamont Tech Productions. I wish I look at the sticker on the car, but it's broken today, so we got something else. Find me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, but I don't really go on there yet. Not too crazy on YouTube yet.
I'm gonna put his link down below in the video. Y'all can hit him up.
Appreciate it.
You got some expensive equipment in here, huh?
Oh yeah.
Tell them how much that suction costs.
This thing alone was around, I don't want to say around like $1,300.
So imagine what the cameras cost. So we're about to get some good footage of my 2021 widebody scatpack Charger. And video, y'all gonna see what he made. So y'all stay tuned throughout this video. That right there is the view. He got the camera mounted on the side of the SUV.
We're gonna wait for a clear road, and you're just gonna get in the left side of me.
Got you. I would be scared to do that. That's an expensive camera and just got it hanging on the side.
I'm gonna just let these cars pass right quick, and then I'm gonna spin around. If the lane's clear to my left, I'm gonna have you speed up all the way beside me, like put your headlights, or no, put your side mirror where the camera is.
Stay in your left lane.
Yeah, we're gonna pretty much do the same thing we just did.
Alright. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but he got a controller on the inside, so, and a screen, so he's able to rotate the camera around with a controller and see everything on the screen from the inside.
As possible to me.
He's talking to me. So he got these crazy lights set up. And let me show y'all something on the other side of the car. It looks like the whole car is changing colors. Let me see if y'all can pick it up. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, these are some crazy bright lights. Right now he's going around the car. He's shooting a wide shot. I can't wait to see this footage. We had to wait till it was about dark. It is 7... Focus. 7:39 here.